Shira here and welcome back to my channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching me. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do eye surgery with makeup. I'm gonna show you how to do the Foxy eyes. This one is a big trend that's actually going on right now on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and everywhere. I think that I'm in love with this and I'm really excited to try it. It's actually my first time trying this trend. So guys, wish me luck. Guys, just before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel, thumbs up, and ring on the button so you make sure not to miss any of my content. So guys, I already did my complexion, I applied my eyes, and now it's time to go straight to business. So I'm gonna go with the KKW eyeshadow palette. You guys know that it's one of my favorites for now. And this one has so many beautiful new shades right here. So I'm gonna go with the shade Glam King, and I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush right here from the crease. If you want to actually lift your eyes, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go from all the crease and then you're gonna go back and lift it. And you're gonna do it for like about a few times. You can literally see just after I did my whole base, you can literally see that it looks so much lift over here. I just have to make sure that you're going all the way to the side so you actually lift the eye. Next thing that I'm gonna use is NYX Professional Makeup. This one is eye pencil. The shade right here is Bronze. I'm just gonna create a shape that will make it more wingy, and I am just gonna create a line from here. And I'm gonna take the pencil and I'm just gonna go all the way to my inner corner. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take the smudge brush. This one is MAC. This one is 515 SC. And I am just gonna go and blend it all over. We're just gonna smudge it out. Now from here, we're gonna take the same brush that we used before for the lid. And we're just gonna go and make it all together. So right now what we're going to do, we're going to create a liner over here in the inner corner. You can use an angle brush. I'm just gonna use this brush right here because this one is super easy for me. I'm just gonna take the pencil and I'm just gonna take the color because this one is the color that I use for my winged liner right here. From the inner corner like that. Here I'm just gonna go to my waterline right here. I'm gonna go to the bottom lash line. I am gonna use the eye pencil. This one is Deep Bronzer. This one is by Kylie Jenner right here. It's a beautiful color. Now because I'm not gonna use anything for the brow, I'm just gonna go and brush my brow with this MAC brush right here. This one is 204, and I'm just gonna take the brush and lift my eyebrow. Now you can use also soap brows. I am using soap brows but not on myself because I feel like it's gonna look weird. My eyebrow are super thick and I don't want it to look too much thick. The next thing I'm gonna use the primer. I use a false lashes, so I will definitely recommend something that is more wingy. But I am using only mascara because my eyelashes are already super thick and long. But if you use mascara as well, you just make sure that you get taking all your eyelashes to the side, so it's actually defined down even more. I'm gonna use the Finishes mascara by Lancome defining mascara to separate all the eyelashes, and it's a really classic mascara. So if you use a mascara, don't use the thick one because again we want to separate all the eyelashes and take them to the side so it looks really wingy. So I feel like this week completely changed my eye shape. My eye even looks much more smaller, but it looks more defined, looks more lifted. I am loving it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching me. That was my tips so how to get the foxy eyes like Bella Hadid, and I think that I killed it. It looks so good. My eyes looks even smaller. It looks much more lifted. I love it, and it's super simple. You just have to make sure that you follow by my tips and you will get the same look. Just before you go, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, or ring on the button so you make sure not to miss any of my content. Thank you so much for watching me, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.